Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 11th, 2025, and we're tackling Google stock. First, let's look at recent news. Reports indicate a recent dip in Google stock, possibly due to concerns over Alphabet's Q4 earnings and increased capital spending projections for 2025. The daily chart shows a clear downward trend in Google from its recent high. We can see a potential support level at approximately $160, followed by a more substantial support at $150. The most recent major spike in trading volume happened when the price first crossed below $140 and has stayed below. Notice how the price consistently struggles to break above the $175 resistance level. Now let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a more granular perspective on the recent price action. We can examine the candlestick patterns and observe how the price moved within shorter timeframes to better understand the current trend. Analyzing the 1-hour chart's candlestick patterns, we see several bearish signals. The price has been oscillating between support and resistance levels, but repeatedly failing to sustain any upward momentum. These bearish signals suggest a potential short-term bearish outlook. Let's switch to the 15-minute chart to explore the most recent market fluctuations. The 15-minute chart offers more detailed information about the intraday price action, which can be especially helpful for day traders trying to take advantage of small price changes. This will help us to spot small reversals. Look at how the price fluctuates within this smaller period. The 15-minute chart shows some short-term periods of upward price changes. However, these gains do not hold up. This is a good indication of bearish momentum, which seems to be overpowering. These rapid fluctuations can present opportunities for short-term traders who are keen on identifying price reversals and capitalizing on them. We can also notice that there are still periods where there is buying pressure. It is important to know that this buying pressure may not necessarily be strong enough to fully turn the tide in the short term. Let's go back to the daily chart for a moment. Notice the recent price drop that we discussed earlier. It appears that the buying pressure mentioned on the 15-minute chart did not have enough power to reverse the short-term bearish trend. Now, let's examine a specific period of the 1-hour chart from timestamp 1 to timestamp 2, highlighting a period where the price made a strong upward movement. This provides more data regarding the potential support and resistance levels. During this time period, we can observe a temporary reversal in the price trend, which indicates that there are still buyers willing to step in when the price reached the appropriate support level. However, this move was short-lived and did not alter the larger short-term bearish trend in the market. In summary, current news and our chart analysis suggests a bearish short-term outlook for Google. Key short-term support is around $170, while key resistance sits around $180 to $185. A break above $185 would significantly improve the bullish case, while a break below $170 suggests further downside. Long-term, the $150 support is a crucial level to watch, as a drop below that could signal a greater correction. While the market is uncertain for the short term, we're keen to watch how the next few trading sessions will develop.